Hello everyone, my name is Mейрамбекова Мөлдір Жасұланқызы. I am an English teacher with 8 years of experience. As Abay wisely said, wisdom, willpower and the heart must go hand in hand. For me, it is a true honor to be a teacher at the Abay specialized school gymnasium where these values live on. Teaching is not just my job, it is my professional path, my mission and my passion. From the very beginning of my career, I have believed that a teacher is more than just a source of knowledge. A teacher is a guide, a motivator, and sometimes even a life changer. Over these 8 years, I have learned that every child has unique talents and the potential. My role is to help them discover their abilities and believe in themselves. In my lessons, I try to make English not just a subject, but a journey full of games, creativity, stories, and teamwork. When students enjoy learning, they achieve more and they grow not only in knowledge, but also in confidence. What inspires me most is seeing the sparkle in my students' eyes when they understand something new, when they overcome their fears, and when they succeed. Each smile, each small victory in the classroom motivates me to move forward and to be a better teacher every day. My student Alima Jumagali is the third place winner of Linguistics Olympiad and the third place winner of the Zirdia Scientific Project Competition and the prize winner of Subject Olympiads. We also enjoy performing interesting fairy tales with primary school students. And in accordance with the name of our school, we now Abay's words of wisdom by heart. They are our eternal heritage.
Finally, I said, pen and paper shall be my only solace, and I shall sit down my thoughts. Should anyone find something useful here, let him copy it down or memorize it. And if no one has any need of my words, they will remain with me anyway. And now I have no other concern than that.
From the 11th word. How do our people make living? There are two ways. One is by stealing. There is another way. Ordinary people by pursuing it to race, to resort, all other ways never have dreamed of. Do this or that, they say. You will be rich and famous, you will be regarded as invulnerable, and your opponents will fear you.
From the 15th word. If you wish to be counted among the intelligent, then ask yourself once a day, once a week, or at least once a month, how do I live? Have I done anything to improve my learning, my worldly life, or my life hereafter? Will you have to swallow the bitter dregs of regret later on? Or perhaps you don't know or remember how you have lived and why.
For me, the greatest reward is not certificates or titles. It is the achievements of my students. That is why, with pride and with all my heart, I can say teaching is my professional path.